Welcome to Speech on Success.
First question. In which year did the French Revolution begin? Correct answer C. 1789. Question 2. Who was the King of France at the time of the French Revolution? Correct answer C. Louis XVI. Question 3. Who was the Queen of France during the French Revolution? Correct answer A. Marie Antoinette. Question 4. The famous slogan of the French Revolution was Correct answer B. Liberty, equality, fraternity. Question 5. The French Revolution began with the fall of which fortress? Correct answer C. Bastille. Question 6. When was the Bastille prison stormed? Correct answer B. 14th July 1789. Question 7. The French society before the revolution was divided into how many estates? Correct answer B. 3. Question 8. The first estate in France consisted of Correct answer B. Clergy. Question 9. The second estate in France consisted of Correct answer A. Nobility. Question 10. The third estate in France consisted of Correct answer C. Commoners. Question 11. The National Assembly was formed in which year? Correct answer B. 1789. Question 12. Who wrote The Social Contract? Correct answer C. Rousseau. Question 13. Who wrote The Spirit of Laws? Correct answer A. Montesquieu. Question 14. Who is called the Sun King of France? Correct answer A. Louis XIV. Question 15. Who among the following philosophers influenced the French Revolution most? Correct answer C. Voltaire, Rousseau and Montesquieu. Question 16. The Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizen was adopted in Correct answer B. August 1789. Question 17. The Jacobin Club was led by Correct answer B. Robespierre. Question 18. The period of Robespierre's rule is known as Correct answer C. Reign of Terror. Question 19. The machine used to execute people during the French Revolution was Correct answer A. Guillotine. Question 20. When was monarchy abolished in France? Correct answer C. 1792. Question 21. France was declared a republic in Correct answer B. 1792. Question 22. Louis XVI was executed in which year? Correct answer B. 1793. Question 23. Marie Antoinette was executed in Correct answer B. 1793. Question 24. Who rose to power after the French Revolution? Correct answer B. Napoleon Bonaparte. Question 25. Which battle marked Napoleon's final defeat? Correct answer D. Battle of Waterloo. Question 26. The Napoleonic Code was introduced in. Correct answer B. 1804. Question 27. Which economic crisis triggered the French Revolution? Correct answer B. Food shortage and debt. Question 28. The Estates General Meeting of 1789 was held at. Correct answer B. Versailles. Question 29. Napoleon crowned himself Emperor of France in. Correct answer C. 1804. Question 30. The French Revolution influenced which revolution in Europe most? Correct answer D. Revolutions of 1848.